Na, nababo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank MERF Boneless Bangus. And although this is Where in Pampanga, yung mga bangus po natin came all the way from Pangasinan. So ang mga ito ay boneless Bonuan bangus. If my memory serves me right, according to our business owner, so ang factory po nito ay nasa Dagupan, Pangasinan. On our table are two of their products, no? So we have classic boneless daing na bangus, and then the other one is this is a boneless bangus. Ang ginawa nun dito ay tinapa siya. For me, these are best served during breakfast, tuwing umaga for me. Because this is the time na talagang mapapakain ka ng sinangag, and then add mo pa ng kamatis, ng onion, ng pako. Super duper. It's gonna be a great morning if you serve this. And of course, sa mga ibang tao naman, this is an all day round dish na they can actually enjoy. Now, let's talk about some information about MERF and yung mga products nila. For the boneless tinapa, no, they are selling by twos. Ang nagkakaiba dyan is yung sizes nila. Merong XL, merong large, merong medium, and merong small. Of course, based sa mga sizes, nag-iba-iba din yung prices natin dyan. For the daing na bangus, we have XL and they serve it by twos. Large and yung medium, they sell it by 3. Of course, may mga ibang tao, they prefer yung mga malalaking servings, yung iba naman maliliit. Now, when you buy these products, magbe-base yung mga availability ng mga sizes sa distributor po ninyo. Speaking of distributor, guys, if you're looking to expand your income or your, kumbaga, start your own business with them, they are actually looking for distributors and resellers. So of course, if you buy from them, meron tayong SRP. If you are looking to resell these, syempre magbibigay po sila ng mga discount, a lower price. Now, if you go for the distributorship, I think that's gonna be where the larger profit, kumbaga, potential na makukuha ninyo. Okay, so let me give you a trivia, no? Let me give you a trivia. So mga palengke natin, halos sinasabi ng mga nagdadaing dyan, oh, this is from Bonuan, this is from Pangasinan, this is from, for you to find out kung nagsasabi sila ng totoo o hindi, bibigyan ko kayo ng isang hack or life hack or a tip, no? Tumira rin po kami kasi sa Pangasinan, kaya alam ko yung itsura ng mga bangus doon. So there are several kinds of bangus, no? Yung mga usually na nabebenta sa atin dito sa Pampanga are from mga tabang na tubig yan. So ang mga nguso nila is medyo paganyan. So yung pinaka belly nila is straight, and then from the mouth papunta dun sa back ng bangus natin is dun siya magkaka-arch. Yan. So straight and then arch. Now for the Pangasinan bangus, meron silang different characteristics. So if you notice, yung mga bangus dito, ganyan naman sila. So from the belly, it arches papunta dun sa mouth, and then from the mouth to the back, naka-arch pa rin yan, naka-arch pa rin siya. So, ganyan yung sa mouth niya. So, dun from the mouth, yan, yan. Now, for the mga tabang na bangus, straight yan. This is gonna be straight. From here, it's gonna be straight. Yan. That's a quick tip for you to find out kung talagang kumbaga Pangasinan bangus or mga tabang bangus lang yung tinitinda ng mga sa palengke or anyone. Okay? Right, so there you have it, guys. Again, if you're interested to be a reseller, a distributor, or just, you know, wanna taste these authentic Dagupan Boneless Bangus, check out their fan page. It's gonna be flashing on your screens. We're gonna be sharing yung numbers as well if you want to contact them again for a business purpose or even iluluto lang sa bahay. So make sure to check out their contact numbers as well. So guys, I'm gonna share this downstairs with my family. Lulutuin namin sila, and this is gonna be our dish for the day. So if you're interested to know more about this, again, check out their fan page. And guys, thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I hope to see you in the next video because I'm gonna be there. Until then, stay safe and God bless us all. Bye!